Firstly, we delve into academic expectations and peer pressure. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. Remember, balance and self-value are crucial. You are more than your grades and popularity status. Next, we tackle body image issues. As a teenager, you're bombarded with idealized images of beauty and perfection. But let's remember, there's beauty in diversity and uniqueness. Embrace self-love. Friendship drama, we've all been there. When conflicts arise, positive communication and setting boundaries can guide the way. Family stress is another common challenge. Open communication, healthy dialogue strategies, and family counseling can pave the way to resolution. Time management can be a real struggle. Prioritizing tasks and dividing your time effectively can make a world of difference. Social media pressure can be immense, but remember, responsible use and maintaining a positive online presence are key. Bullying and peer pressure can be daunting. It's important to report incidents, seek support, and maintain dignity. Navigating through your first romantic relationship. Healthy relationships and setting boundaries go hand in hand. Academic stress is another challenge. Seek help from teachers, manage your time well, and take care of yourself. Lastly, mental health concerns. It's okay to feel sad or anxious. The importance of mental health cannot be overstated. Seek resources when needed. To sum up, adolescence is a journey filled with unique challenges, but with the right strategies, it can be navigated successfully. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. With that, we conclude our journey through adolescence. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Stay tuned for more insightful content.